Straight shooter heating and cooling is unparalleled in the field of air conditioning installation firms. This article will educate you on the importance of collaborating with professionals, the services offered by straight shooter heating and cooling, and the procedures necessary to install an air conditioning system. The efficacy, efficiency, and safety of air conditioning systems are significantly influenced by their installation. Reduced efficacy may result in increased energy costs, shortened lifespans, and more frequent, costly repairs as a result of improper installation. Improper installation may lead to inadequate ventilation or refrigerant leakage, which could pose significant safety risks. Can an HVAC contractor help with energy efficiency? Yes, an HVAC contractor can significantly improve energy efficiency in your home or business. When should I hire an HVAC contractor? You should hire an HVAC contractor when you need to install, repair, or maintain your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. What is an HVAC contractor? An HVAC contractor is a professional who specializes in the installation, maintenance, repair, and replacement of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, systems. What are the areas near that Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling provides services? Our Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling serve the following locations: San Diego, CA, Mission Valley, CA, North Park, CA, Oak Park, CA, National City, CA, Coronado, CA, Claremont, CA, Escondido, CA, Oceanside, CA, Carlsbad, CA, Vista, CA, San Marcos, CA, Encinitas, CA, Poway, CA, Fallbrook, CA. Where is the Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 4730 Palm Avenue, Suite 207B, La Mesa, California 91941, United States. Our phone number is 619-848-5353. Visit our website, https://www.bestsandiegofats.com/La Mesa AC Installation Repair.